Welcome. I'm your host, Erica Epperson, and this is The American Dream. Today, we're in Bloomington Normal, the Twin Cities of Illinois. We're centrally located about 2 to 3 hours from St. Louis, Indianapolis, and Chicago. But I don't know why you'd want to choose to go anywhere else because Bloomington Normal is one of Illinois' best kept secrets. And speaking of best kept secrets, this place is one of Bloomington Normal's best kept secrets. And I'm going to tell you why. So come follow me. Hey, Erik, thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
I'm surprised to see a newer vehicle here. I thought we were going vintage.
That's a little different. We're going to get to the classic stuff in a minute, but we're building some pretty amazing new Broncos and Bronco Raptors, and we've got one sitting right behind me. We've been asked by Ford Motor Company to be an authorized upfitter and an authorized dropship location. So you can order a Bronco anywhere in the country and have them drop shipped straight to us. We then take it, turn it into something that looks like that, and then we can ship it to you or the dealership.
Who would have known that you are the largest Ford shop in the United States?
Yeah, we do more Broncos than really anyone, but we've been at it a long time, so we've had to get the recipe right. What we do at the classic Bronco is really something to experience.
Tell me a little bit more about the company, MAXLIDER Brothers Customs, and kind of how we got started.
So we're just authentically Bronco geeks. They've been in my family for decades. My uncle bought the very first Bronco ever sold at our local dealership back in 1966. And so his sons, our cousins had them. Then my brother and I were just big fans of them growing up. And we started getting into them a little more seriously about 15 years ago and actually turned it into a business. And then it exploded because we started showing what we do on social media and made it easy for people to find us when they were wanting something like a classic Ford Bronco. It's funny because we'll take them out in the community and when we stop at a gas station or a supermarket, people will just gravitate towards them with giant smiles on their face because they remember the Bronco that their grandfather had, the Bronco that their dad or their uncle had, and it just brings people such joy. That's really what makes this very gratifying. Ford did a great job designing the Bronco, and then we decided to take it to a totally different level with bumpers that we designed, graphics, lift kits, lighting components, custom leather interior that's popular in the classic Bronco. So we tried to take some of what people love in the classic Bronco and bring it over to the modern Bronco. We've been really blessed to work with a wide range of people, regardless of the budget. We've shipped Broncos to celebrities and professional athletes, CEOs of large companies, sheiks overseas. We've been fortunate to get found on social media because we're one of the few who transcend the Bronco to the level that we do. And we've won some pretty amazing awards in the process, set some world records. We've had a lot of fun doing it.
Am I going to be able to test drive one of these beautiful vehicles?
You know, I've got something special in store for you. Why don't we run in the other room and take a look and I'll show it to you.
Awesome. Let's check it out. Erik, what do we have here? Tell me a little bit about this beauty.
This is a 460 horsepower Coyote Bronco that we built from the ground up. Totally modernized so you can have fun with your family in just about any driving condition.
Super. What else is special about this one?
You know, we can talk a lot. Why don't we take it for a spin and I'll show you.
Okay, great. that was an awesome test drive. But I think I found something a bit more in my budget. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm your host, Erica Epperson, and this is American Dream. We'll catch you next time.